That's not what that was for.
I know, but it works.
No, the napkin is not for your eyes. It's for your hands.
You made me laugh. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a mukbang. Hold something up. That's Chick-Fil-A. Hold the bag up or something. Not the sauce. Yeah. No, the other way so they see that. This can be ours.
It's so annoying. The food is getting cold.
It's not getting cold. And then of course, lemonade. All right, so let's have a chat. Let's talk about how much you like and enjoy Chick-Fil-A. Okay, I'm just gonna talk then. Take the thing. So, this is my sister. She's just gonna eat the whole time. She doesn't really say much, so just enjoy her presence. Yep. Except she just screams when she drops her chicken. So I've never been to this Chick-Fil-A, and this is the first time. It was a drive-thru, and they had people out there with their little iPads taking our order, which I've seen before on like the eat-in restaurants, but this one had like different stations on the outside, and they're all, I guess, like in communication on which person's name and which car they're in. So I pull up to the second person and she's like, "Hi, Charlene." And I'm like, "Yes. How did you know my name?" That's what I was just thinking. And I was paying Apple Pay. And she's like, "Oh, you're paying Apple Pay." She's like, "You can actually just pay right." Okay, so anyways. So then she's like, "You're paying with Apple Pay, right?" And I'm like, "Yes." She's like, "You can actually just go right up to the window." So I go up to the window, and the other lady, she's like, "Hi, Charlene." So like they all are just like communicating like in sync. She's in the white whatever car. Then she's like, "You're doing the Apple Pay?" So I put my like fingerprint, and she has her hands cupped out like this, and I think that like her hands are like electrically going to just like process the payment. Yeah. And because it vibrated a little bit, but I think like I just wasn't thinking.
Her hand?
No, my phone, but it's because I put my thumbprint in and it didn't process. You know how that happens sometimes? So I was like, there's no way that like I'm gonna connect it towards her palm and it's just gonna like process my payment.
No, we're not there yet.
Yeah, we're not. And that's what I thought, and so I was very shook, but then she just took it and did it on the system, and it worked. And now we're just parked out here enjoying our Chick-Fil-A. Is there a straw by any chance? So yeah. Also,
No.
there's no straw. Oh, it's okay. I can
Oh.
I know, right? Okay, we're gonna ignore that. Chick-Fil-A, I forgive you because you rarely
How did they forget the straw?
ever let me down.
There's nowhere to make help?
It's okay. I like this ice too. This is the crushed one. But yeah, I'm just very satisfied with Chick-Fil-A's customer service.
Mm-hmm.
They're honestly the best. Like, they're honestly the best. Like, it's the only fast food that I enjoy to the max. And I feel like I'm not even like getting fat or anything. Would you like to add anything?
Chick-Fil-A is good.
Chick-Fil-A is good. Would you like to tell us what you're wearing today, Charlie? Who are you wearing? Like, where'd you get your clothes from?
My scarf, the scarf that I'm wearing was handcrafted.
We like the handcrafted. We like it when she's handcrafted.
By a dear friend of mine, Jasmine Castro.
Oh, shout out to Jasmine. Follow her. Her Instagram will be linked down below. What else?
And this is a very old dress that I got from a store online in Korea. I don't even know the name. I think it's Yes Style.
Leggings, are those your Lulu? Lululemon.
Once you go Lulu, you can't ever go back.
I know, I need to like start, but
They're
the
pretty.
girl needs to be financially stable.
They're pretty durable.
They look at the material.
So I have to wash them inside out. Don't wash them with any towels.
Oh, okay. Like at the same time.
So they don't peel or anything.
Yeah. Oh, is that why some clothes do that sometimes?
Dang, I haven't been keeping track.
I don't mean either. That's okay. I'll probably have like 2 more. I just think like the nuggets are just the best. I guess I'll tell you guys what I'm wearing. I'm wearing Charming Charlie as my scarf. The shirt, Hollister, little white turtleneck. Pants are mom jeans, which you can't see, but also from Hollister. Huh?
Not really mom jeans.
What do you mean?
They have holes all over them.
So. What if a mom was like out there?
And guess what does a mom really mean?
Like they're very high waisted and they're kind of loose. And that's what they are. My booties are from Aldo.
I don't think that's a nugget.
It looks like a fetus.
Oh, God.
I just ate it.
It's kind of good. I always forget that this sauce is good.
That it exists. Okay, what else is new, Chick-Fil-A? We just went to the Container Store. I told myself I wasn't buying anything.
And you didn't.
I didn't. So what's everyone's plans for the next decade?
Who's responding? I'm telling them to respond.
Respond down below. My next My plan for the next decade is to do things with intention and be more mindful and reaching my goals. And we were talking about this yesterday. Is you need to have goals in order to have a successful whatever decade, not just year. And if you want to have a successful year, then break out your goals and your intentions to meet those goals. Right? Did I say that right?
I think so.
Do you feel satisfied?
I think so. That's what I'm trying to feel out right now.
Okay.
Kids, the last one to the car is a rotten egg. It does seem rather tempting to have some. It seems like it's really good, but you know, like, do you ever get
refreshing
cramps when you're on your period? When you have lemon? That's happened to me before.
I feel like that's all myth here.
I'm gonna have a sip.
I'm like a very bad influence for her. Not in a bad way. But like,
It's good.
right?
They did a good job.
I tell her she should do things that she feels like not doing. Are you tired of me yet?
No, I think I'm full.
You don't want this then?
You can have it.
You want it?
No, you
Oh,
can have it.
I can have it. Yeah. Good. Because, oh, no. There's gonna be just a crispy piece of chicken in my car, in a crevice of my car.
How sad.
My favorite combination with Chick-Fil-A nuggets, sauce-wise, dip in ranch, dip in buffalo sauce. It's like you're having a buffalo wing.
Do you feel like you have to do the buffaloes, not the ranch first?
Yeah, because I get more ranch than when I dip it in here first. See, and like this just coats it because it's less thick. Voila.
I'm just doing it all wrong. Are you done with these?
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Right.
Well, thank you guys for joining us in our little Saturday mukbang. Chick-fil-A edition. I feel like I won't be doing any other mukbangs besides Chick-fil-A, unless it's wings. Wings over. Ooh, if you know what wings over is, leave it in the comments down below. I am obsessed. If you also want to know the backstory on how I became a wings over addict,
What's wings over?
leave it down. Wings over? You don't know what wings over is? What are you doing? What are you actually doing? I have concealer on. What is good with you?
Something black.
Jesus Christ. It's when you made me cry.
I didn't make you cry.
You made me laugh.
You turn on the car or
Who
something.
does that? Like, you really were out here. You're trying to take my makeup off. Oh,
Can you
I
turn
just
the
lost
car
an
on?
ice. Oh, you're so annoying.
An ice?
Yeah, I had a piece of ice.
You can't lose an ice. It's gonna melt. There's no more.
Jesus.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Okay, whatever. Honestly, I'll fix it when I get home. But thanks for stressing me out. They couldn't even see it. Okay, anyways. Wings over.
But I could.
Yes,
I
Shabali.
think it's 3:16.
Ooh. Good highlight. Okay. Wings over's a wing spot. I feel like I should have a separate video where I go more in depth, but I'm gonna do a general overview. It's a wing spot, and they do boneless, because I only eat boneless.
Where?
In Pittsburgh in South Side, but they had it at Rutgers originally, where I went undergrad. And oh my god, they have all these different like sauces that they mix them in. It's just like literally so good. So good. And so one day I was at my apartment and I was like so hungry and I was in the mood for wings, and I didn't think that like it would be a thing in Pittsburgh, and so I was just gonna go to Wingstop or something because that's more general, and I type in wing and wings over Pittsburgh comes up, and I just like wanted to throw a party. Like I got butterflies in my stomach. Like that's how excited I was.
Wow.
Because I used to always have it at school at Rutgers, and so I went that day. And like a Wingstop is like 40 miles away, so I was just like, oh wow. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me on this cute mukbang that we did with Chick-fil-A. I'll see you guys in the next one. Say bye.
Toodaloo.
Okay.
Is that what that's for?
Yeah. No. It just like it holds it while I'm using the GPS, but I need new videos.